There, how are you doing? Team Nokia Power is here, and in this video, we'll take a look at the Nokia 3.1 Plus camera. So basically, in this video, we are not going to talk about the amazing quality. For that, we will do a Nokia 3.1 Plus camera review separately. What we are going to do here is we'll talk about the camera UI and the features that are there. So as you know, it comes with a dual rear camera with 13 plus 5 megapixel and if we talk about the front camera, it's an 8 megapixel camera. So let's launch the rear camera first. Okay. So when you have the look at this Nokia 3.1 Plus camera UI, you will notice usual camera UI that is now present in the Nokia camera app on all the Nokia smartphones. So the similar sliding kind of navigation. So photo, video. What is most interesting is presence of this live bokeh mode. So live bokeh mode is available on this price range, which is a great news because obviously if we talk about Nokia 3.3 and 3.1, it was not available there, but now it's available. The live bokeh is not only available for the rear camera, even the bokeh mode is available for the front camera, if you'll see. So it has these modes: square, then panorama, live bokeh, manual, and photo, video, slow motion, and time lapse. So if we talk about the video, you can see that it can take like both the front and rear cameras can capture a full HD video, but not the 4K obviously. Coming to photo, it has the auto HDR support and other features. Resolution wise, maximum 13 megapixel from the rear and 8 megapixel from the front. Now this dual rear camera that should actually help in not only the low light imaging but also in the live bokeh. So live bokeh is one interesting feature that obviously many may have many wanted it to come with or like come to this price range. Okay, so this is how this live bokeh feature works, and this is how the camera UI looks like on Nokia 3.1 Plus. Hope you have uh, found this video interesting. Uh, Coming to like the actual camera review of Nokia 3.1 Plus that we will do in detail separately. So stay tuned for that and stay tuned to NokiaPower.com and Nokia Power YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.